I don't know what crypto.
Everywhere you go, Kim, like, it's like the animals know you're there to feed them or something. Look at all this. We got a whole mob. Hey. Hey, buddy. Guys just come out of nowhere, man. You guys send out smoke signals or something? You know? It's like, where do they all come from? We got to start a new video series called Cambo Woof. Con Po. Con Po. Oh, look at him. Good job. Oh. Look at you puppies. You're all so happy. There's just so many of them today. Have a little extra flavor, it's all right. You see yourself, pretty girl? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know what you're doing, bro. He's eyeballing that fish on your blind side. Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna get that fish, just watch. This guy, this big old guy just went and flopped down. He must not be hungry. Hey. Con ake bang. Clean up. Dude, they must be hungry, man, if they're just eating by saw.
Now I stop to eat the keep they so I can eat.
I know. I know.
Don't lick my tao with my please. Look at that.